Welcome back to Crypto News Channel today. Let's go through the cryptocurrency market worth paying attention today. The first is Bitcoin plunges below $90,000. Crypto market shakes. Bitcoin has just plunged below $91,000, reaching a pivotal point after nearly 90 days of trading in a narrow range, according to experts from Bitfinex. The price of Bitcoin, BTC, $88,285, has been hovering between $91,000 and $102,000 for 3 months, as the market lacks momentum to break out. Nearly 90 days of consolidation without sustained momentum has caused things to contract, Bitfinex Alpha reported on February 24th. In the past 24 hours, Bitcoin has fallen more than 7%, deeper than its lowest point since late November. The entire cryptocurrency market has also flew 8%, from $3.31 trillion to $2.9 trillion. The decline coincided with Trump's statement on February 24th, alongside French President Macron, affirming that the 25% tax imposed on Canada and Mexico will be on time, on schedule. According to CoinGlass, the market shook violently, with more than $1.35 billion liquidated in the day, of which more than $1.25 billion were long bets and $93 million were short bets. Bitcoin long bets alone evaporated by $533 million, leading a wave of liquidations of more than $1 billion. Bitfinex believes that Bitcoin is in tune with the traditional market. The S&P 500 fell 2.3%, the Nasdaq plunged 4% in the past 5 days, dragging down risky assets like cryptocurrencies. Demand from Bitcoin ETFs also cooled, with $552.5 million withdrawn in the week ending February 21st. The U.S. economy is facing weakening consumer confidence and rising inflation concerns, according to a University of Michigan survey on February 21st. Trump's tax policies have further heated up the situation, erasing some of the anti-inflation gains of the past 2 years. Next news. According to Deep Tide TechFlow, on February 25th, data from CoinGlass shows that the total liquidation amount in the cryptocurrency market in the past 24 hours reached $1.57 billion, with long positions liquidating $1.41 billion and short positions liquidating $155 million. The liquidation amount for Bitcoin reached $745 million. Ethereum liquidated $300 million, and Sol liquidated $105 million. A total of 381,955 people were liquidated in the past 24 hours, with the largest single liquidation occurring in the BTC-USDT trading pair on HTX, valued at $39.62 million. Next news. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has terminated its investigation into Uniswap Labs. This move follows the agency's conclusion of similar investigations into other major participants in the cryptocurrency industry. Uniswap is the creator of the world's largest decentralized crypto exchange and received a Wells notice from the SEC last year, accusing it of operating as an unregistered exchange and broker-dealer. Under the leadership of new acting chair Mark T. Uyeda, the SEC is retracting several previous enforcement actions against the crypto industry. Uyeda has appointed Republican Commissioner Hester Pierce to lead a crypto task force to collaborate with industry representatives on developing crypto-specific regulations. Amanda Tuminelli, the chief legal officer of the DeFi Education Fund, noted that the SEC's action is significant and provides more confidence to DeFi companies. Next news, Aya Miyaguchi, the executive director of the Ethereum Foundation, will be promoted to the position of president of the nonprofit organization, coinciding with a period when her leadership is under public scrutiny from members of the Ethereum community. According to a blog post, this decision has been in the works for a year. The new role will allow Miyaguchi to continue supporting the foundation's institutional relations and community development. Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin stated that the foundation is working to improve its leadership structure and has nominated former researcher Danny Ryan as the new executive director. The foundation has faced criticism for a lack of transparency and complex structure, but Buterin is taking steps to make the organization more inclusive. Next news. The U.S. spot Bitcoin ETF experienced over $500 million in net outflows on Monday, marking the fifth largest outflow since its launch in January 2024. Fidelity's FBTC led the net outflows with an amount of $247 million, followed by BlackRock's IBIT and Grayscale's GBTC products. The total net outflows for the spot Bitcoin ETF over 5 days reached $1.07 billion. Meanwhile, the U.S. spot Ethereum ETF also saw a net outflow of $78 million on Monday. Despite this, the cumulative net inflows for Bitcoin funds still exceed $39 billion. Trading volume slightly increased to $3.80 billion on Monday. Cryptocurrency prices fell, with Bitcoin and Ethereum dropping by 7.6% and 11.2%, respectively. Solana and XRP saw even larger declines of 14.4% and 13%. Analysts pointed out that the Libra scam and the Bybit hack incident may have affected market sentiment. Nevertheless, analysts remain optimistic about cryptocurrencies and suggest continuing to invest heavily. Next news. Just in, President Trump's son, Eric Trump, says buy the dips. Next news. Wu learned that NASDAQ has submitted a 19B4 application for the Grayscale Polkadot ETF. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for tuning in, and we hope you found it helpful. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.